Hello everyone, it's me Munira, and today I'll be doing biryani, Zanzibari biryani. So what I have here, I have mint, I have tomatoes and chicken, yogurt, and these are the onions. I have already fried them and I have smashed them already. I usually fry and put them in the freezer. You just cut in slices, then you fry them normally. And this is garlic, and let's get started. Okay, now I'm going to put I have already washed my chicken. I'm just going to put all these things in the chicken. This mint and this chili. Okay, I have put ginger, and I'm going to put garlic. This is 2 tablespoons, small one, not the big ones. And I'm going to put tomato paste. I'm using this one, but you can use the canned ones. This portion is only for 2 people, so my portion is small. But if you feel you're more than 2, you can double it, or more, you can just triple it. I'm going to put a yogurt. Okay. You cannot make biryani without yogurt. Yogurt is very important. To get that taste of biryani, you need yogurt. And last but not least, I'm going to put my onions. And I'm going to mix all this together. I'm going to put salt. Okay, I have mixed everything together. I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of cumin powder, and 1 tablespoon of coriander powder. Not full, okay. And I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of garam masala. Okay. So I'm going to mix everything and put it in low heat so that it can be boiled together without adding water, and it can cook well. Okay guys, I've already mixed everything together, and this you don't have to put water because the chicken itself will have water, and the tomatoes also, so no need to add more water. Okay. There is oil. I didn't put any oil, but the oil is coming from the chicken and the onions. Okay, now this is ready. This is my stew for biryani. It's ready, so I'm going to remove it. Okay guys, as you can see, this is my stew. I have already removed it from the fire, and you can see it's very thick and it's ready right now. I'm going to put it aside. This is rice. I'm going to make rice right now, and I'm going to put salt and let it sit for 5 minutes, then I will cook it. You can see I'm adding so much salt because if you add much salt, the rice will come out one piece. Yani itakuja kutoka moja moja and piece moja moja, which is very good in the biryani. And of course later I will have to wash two times so that I can remove all the salt, and then I will cook it. In the meantime, I will boil water for the rice. Okay, this is the water I will use for the rice. I'm going to put this. This is cardamom, cinnamon, and nutmeg, clove, and black pepper, as you can see. And this is the oil that came from the rice. I'm going to put it also, and I'm going to boil it. Okay, you can see the water is boiling, and I'm just going to put my rice in the water. I have already washed it because before I kept so much salt, so I had to remove that. I'm using the same spoon for the stew to mix this. If you use the same stew, it will have taste. It will be tasty because of the taste from the stew, and so we usually do this. We always do this. So I will just let it cook for a few minutes because I don't want it to be fully cooked. I will cook only 70%, and later I will put in the oven. Okay, I have already drained. Now I have my rice and stew. I'm going to put them in the oven. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put some rice. This you remove. I have to remove this. I just don't like it when someone eat this. Okay. This portion is very small because it's only for 2 people. So, okay, I put rice. Then now I'm going to put meat. But you cannot put the sauce, I mean the stew here. You only have to put this meat only because itself has what it's called, has its stew. Will make its own stew. And egg I have. That's why you didn't see making potatoes. But if you don't want to put eggs, you can just put you can put potatoes. You can just fry normally. I usually put color on it, then I fry, just like normal frying of potatoes. See, I'm just putting this without I'm going to put this without putting this too. Okay, this is the one that is left, but you can just put it later on your plate when you want to eat. But for meantime, I won't put it because it will be too much. And I'm just going to remove this. Okay. Okay, so my rice will have 2 colors, and okay, I'm going to grill it right now. You cannot put this straight, you will have to put in a plate so that it won't get burnt. And I will cook it for 30 minutes and then it will be ready. Okay, this is the biryani, it's ready. So I'm going to remove. Okay, let's open and see what we have. It smells so good. You have to try this. Okay, as you can see, I'm going to put this here. You can see the color, it has yellow, it has orange. The color is so nice. Okay, see, this is our biryani. You can see it has yellow color, it has orange color, and the color is so nice.